Hey guys, I just kind of woke up and my dog is here, and I'm not really sure if you guys see my dog. He's been in the videos, but I've never showed him to you. His name is JoJo. He's right here. He's a Chihuahua, and he loves to lick me and everybody if he knows them. He's so nice. He's not like all those other Chihuahuas, rah, ha. But he's really good. Look. Lick, lick, lick. He's just the nicest. I just love him. He's the best. Ciao. So, yeah. He's trying to get in the videos. Let me in. So, I think you should wave hi. Hi, Joe. Hi, awesome people that are about to watch this video. So, you trying to lick me? He's licking my arm. Wow. See, he has to lick me. It's crazy. Over here. It's 10:30 right now. And I just woke up. Can't believe that. He obviously loves you guys. I mean, he almost tried to lick the screen, so yeah. He's so comfy. Yeah, he's He's a long-haired Chihuahua. But he is the best. So I hope you guys have a great, I don't know, great something. Great rest of your holiday. Because the holiday break is not even over. So I hope you guys have a good one. So, goodbye. You say goodbye, Joe? You say goodbye? Goodbye.